From Pre-Kinder 1 awardees, we have Rechon Lord E. Dahil, first outstanding. He also received Young Mathematician Award, Most Improved and Most Honest. I would like to request the parents, Mr. and Mrs. Dahil, please do the honor in pinning the medals of your children. Rihanna Charlotte S. Briones, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Briones, second outstanding. She also received Artistic Kid Award, Most Improved and Well-Behaved. Mary Caitlin C. Minyoza, second outstanding, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Minyoza. She also received Batang Manunulat Award, Young Mathematician Award, and Most Improved. Wency Dale E. Baring, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Baring, our third outstanding. She also received Artistic Kid Award, Most Improved and Well-Behaved. Nathan D. Obreque, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Obreque, our third outstanding. He also received Young Mathematician Award, Most Improved and Well-Behaved. Miguel Antonio P. Torres, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Torres, our third outstanding. He also received Active Adventure Award, Most Improved and Most Honest. Zev C. Pael, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Pael, our fourth outstanding. He also received Young Mathematician Award, Most Neat and Clean and Most Improved. Asmon John O. Arong, our fourth outstanding, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Arong. He also received Community Helper Award, Most Improved and Well-Behaved. Maria Zaria A. Mahusay, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Mahusay, our fifth outstanding. She also received Active Adventure Award, Most Improved and Most Honest. Maxine Jane M. Cantabaco, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Cantabaco, our fifth outstanding. She also received Friendship Award, Well-Behaved and Most Improved. Adriana Faira S. Pagal, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Pagal, our fifth outstanding. She also received Neat and clean, most improved and well-behaved. From pre-kinder to our list, we have Isla Rose A. Bedrijo, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Bedrijo, our first outstanding. She also received Young Mathematician Award, Most Neat and Clean, Peacekeeper Award, Well-Behaved, and Most Responsible. Ivan O. Patajo, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Patajo, our second outstanding. He also received Young Mathematician Award, Leadership Award, Most Neat and Clean, and Most Honest. Carl Matthew N. Laos, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Laos, our second outstanding. He also received Community Helper Award, Young Mathematician Award, Friendship Award, and Most Honest. Jaira Aurora Dumaga, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dumaga, our second outstanding. She also received Batang Manunulat Award, Young Mathematician Award, Most Neat and Clean and Well-Behaved. Sebastian Caleb Andales, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Andales, our third outstanding. He also received Active Adventure Award, Young Mathematician Award, Most Neat and Clean, and Most Honest. Jared Rain D. Montifolca, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Montifolca, our third outstanding. He also received Most Punctual, Batang Manunulat Award, our Young Mathematician Award, and Well-Behaved. Maria Viana Bless T. Inco, our third outstanding. The daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Inco. She also received Young Mathematician Award, Most Neat and Clean, Most Honest, and Most Well-Behaved. Javaya E. Daligdig, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Daligdig, our third outstanding. She also received Young Mathematician Award, Artistic Kid Award, Neat and Clean and Well-Behaved. Mary Zyrene D. Marmes, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Marmes, our third outstanding. She also received Community Helper Award, Friendship Award, Leadership Award, and Most Honest. Bethany Bella M. Likigan, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Likigan, our third outstanding. She also received Leadership Award, Community Helper Award, Most Neat and Clean, and Most Honest. Shai Sean P. Umpad, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Umpad, our third outstanding. He also received Active Adventure Award, Young Mathematician Award, Leadership Award, and Most Neat and Clean. Rai Celestier D. Miasco, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Miasco, our fourth outstanding. He also received Active Adventure Award, Friendship Award, and Most Honest. Ziggy T. Abelia, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Abelia, our fourth outstanding. He also received Active Adventure Award, Peacekeeper Award, and Most Honest. Zaira Thalia G. Anyasco, our fourth outstanding. She also received Batang Manunulat Award, Friendship Award, and Well-Behaved. Joanna Faith L. Amaro, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Amaro, our fourth outstanding. She also received Leadership Award, Friendship Award, and Well-Behaved. Eloisa T. Claros, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Claros, our fourth outstanding. She also received Artistic Kid Award, Friendship Award, and Well-Behaved. Elvira N. Pedoche, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Pedoche, our fourth outstanding. She also received Batang Manunulat Award, Community Helper Award, and Well-Behaved. Isha T. Adamos, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Adamos, our fifth outstanding. She also received Batang Manunulat Award, Community Helper Award, Well-Behaved, and she is our representative from the Children's Month, Mr. Prince and Princess 2024. Olmedo, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Olmedo, our fifth outstanding. She also received Batang Manunulat Award, Community Helper Award, and Well-Behaved. Zion Ezekiel S. Guarin, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Gualin, our fifth outstanding. He also received Active Adventure Award, Batang Manunulat Award, and Community Helper Award. Zedric S. Gabriel, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Gabriel, fifth outstanding. He is also our Children's Month representative. Active Adventure Award, Community Helper Award, and Most Honest. James I would like to acknowledge the arrival of our City Councilor, Ma'am Annabeth Quizon. Let's give her a big round of applause. Ato sa taga-ag space. Nunez, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Nunez, our 5th outstanding. He also received Leadership Award, Community Helper Award, and Most Honest. Christopher Jacob T. Mahusay, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Mahusay, 5th outstanding. He also received Community Helper Award, Friendship Award, and Well-Behaved. Savannah Akisha S. Pagal, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Pagal, 5th outstanding. She also received Batang Manunulat Award, Young Mathematician Award, and Well-Behaved. Jamel C. Bargamento, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Bargamento, our 5th outstanding. He also received Active Adventure Award, Young Mathematician Award, and Most Honest. Caleb Nicolai C. Ariola, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Ariola, our 5th outstanding. He also received Active Adventure Award, Young Mathematician Award, and Most Neat and Clean. Celine Brie E. Solon, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Solon, our 5th outstanding. She also received Batang Manunulat Award, Artistic Kid Award, and Well-Behaved. Ziv Chrysler M. Alisna, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Alesna, our 5th outstanding. He also received Community Helper Award, Active Adventure Award, and Most Improved. John Lucas P. Murto, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Murto. He received Best in Character, Well-Behaved, Most Punctual, and Most Improved. James A.J. P. Murto, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Murto. He also received Best in Character, Active Adventure Award, Most Punctual, and Most Improved. Tuan Queen, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Navos. He received Best in Character, Friendship Award, Well-Behaved, and Most Improved. Mark Lisander Talinting, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Talinting. He received Best in Character, Community Helper Award, Well-Behaved and Most Improved. Nathaniel Jove I. Lapitan, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Lapitan. He received Best in Character, Active Adventure Award, Most Honest and Most Improved. Chris Adam B. Polido, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Polido. He received Best in Character, Friendship Award, Active Adventure Award, and Most Improved. Ayesha May N. Sirat, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Sirat. She received Best in Character, Community Helper Award, Batang Manunulat Award, and Most Improved. Precious Lenji B. Tampos, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Tampos. She received Best in Letter Concept, Community Helper Award, Friendship Award, and Most Improved. Zakia Angel L. Lienes, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Lienes. She received Best in Letter Concept, Batang Manunulat Award, Well-Behaved and Most Improved. Aliyah B. Ogsimar, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ogsimar. She received Best in Number Concept, Artistic Kid Award, Neat and Clean and Most Improved. Griffin Grayson Aniban, the son of Miss Aniban. He received Best in Number Concept, Active Adventure Award, Most Honest and Most Improved. Thank you so much, Ma'am Dali, Ma'am Happy, and the two teachers of Mactan, and of course, Sir Dondon. Congratulations, learners. Parents, let's give our children a big round of applause. At this juncture,